Verifying your bank account with Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank in Egypt is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is properly verified. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents for verification. This typically includes your national ID or passport, proof of address like a utility bill, and any additional documents requested by the bank. Step 2. Visit the bank branch. Go to your nearest Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank branch in Egypt. It is advisable to visit during business hours and check if you need to make an appointment beforehand. Step 3. Complete the verification form. Once at the branch, ask for the account verification form. Fill it out with accurate information, ensuring all details match your identification documents. Step 4. Submit your documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, the bank will process your verification request. This may take a few days. You will receive a confirmation via SMS or email once your account is verified. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account with Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank in Egypt. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the bank staff for assistance.